My name is Baba Rashid. I'm a second year student studying at the University of Edinburgh, and I'm studying biological sciences. My degree programme is made up of lectures, tutorials, practical sessions, as well as independent study. I will be talking about my experiences in practicals. For our practical sessions, we were given a manual beforehand, and what we're supposed to do is that we're supposed to read them so that we're in a fresh state of mind, so that we know what we're doing in our practical, or what experiment we're conducting and how we would be conducting it. Our practical sessions are held within laboratories. There are about 60 to 70 students. We also have a senior demonstrator who leads the session, and we also have lab assistants who help the students at their benches. What we do in our practical sessions is that we mainly follow and conduct experiments that reinforce the learning that we've learned in our lectures. Asking questions in a practical, I feel, is a really important aspect. For example, if there's something that I don't understand within the experiment protocol, or anything in general, we have a laboratory demonstrator who is always available for us. She's always letting us know where she is within the lab whenever needed. We also have our lab assistants who are working on each bench with us, who ask us and also tell us if wherever they are, and also they help us whenever needed to. Our practical sessions enable us to learn a wide variety of different things. For example, if there's something that I don't understand in a lecture, one ideology or a theory, the practical gives me an opportunity to reinforce that idea, to learn it again, and also to ask questions if it's something that I still don't understand. I think having practical sessions has given me a wide variety of amazing skills. For example, I feel like I've been learning on the go, so I've had independent learning skills, I've had critical thinking skills, I've been working with other people that I've never worked before, so having communication skills, group working skills, and team working skills. At the end of our practical session, our results are collected. We are normally given a sheet just to fill in a table, for example, for our results. And then after that, what happens is that our lab demonstrator then gets the class together and we go over the experiments. We talk about the ideologies, the theories behind the experiment. We also talk about and reinforce the learning that we've learned in our lectures as well. The advice I have for potential students who are wanting to come to the University of Edinburgh to study is that within practical sessions, I would recommend that you definitely read the protocol in advance and also definitely ask questions. But most of all, have fun within your practical sessions.